Good afternoon, class. I am your teacher, Elby. Again, what's my name?
Teacher Elby!
Good. Now, so before we proceed to our discussion, Eugene, can you please lead the prayer?
One please stand for the prayer. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Okay, so thank you, Miss Kijin. Now, please stay quiet because I'm going to check your attendance. Who is absent today?
None.
Very good, grade 1. Now, before we proceed to our discussion, let's have our activity first. Do you know the word riddle, or do you know how to play a riddle?
Yes.
Okay, I will show you here a riddle, and all you need to do is just raise your hand if you want to answer. Again, if you want to answer, just raise your
Hand.
Very good. So, try to answer this riddle. It has face but no eyes, nose or lips. It has head that moves on and on. So, what do you think is the answer? Yes? Pino?
Teacher.
Very good. It's a clock. Now, I will group you into 3 groups, and each group I will give you a scramble puzzle. And all you need to do is just fix the puzzle. And for those who can fix the puzzle first is the
Winner.
Okay, so this would be the group 1. Group 2. And the group 3. Okay, so I will give you 2 minutes to finish the puzzle.
Nasa na tong sides? Wow. Diri. Ten na. Kana pa narinig niya. Nalagyan po na po. Ano? Manami! Oh! Ay,
Okay, so the group who finished the puzzle first is the
Group 3.
So, let's give them a Darna applause. Do you know what Darna applause?
No.
Okay, Darna applause is just like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Darna. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Darna!
Very good. Now, based on the riddle and the activity that I gave, do you have any idea what our topic for today? Anyone? Yes, it's
About time, teacher.
very good. Our topic for today is all about telling time. Here.
Tabor.
Okay, so try to look at this one. Have you ever seen a clock like this before?
Yes.
What do you call this clock? Yes, Miss Kijin?
An analog
Very good. It's an analog clock. Do you have this at home?
Yes.
So what does this tell us?
Time.
Very good. It tells us about time. Now, who among you here knows how to read or tell a time using an analog clock?
Me.
Okay, so this afternoon, Teacher Elde will going to teach you how to read or tell a time using the analog clock. Okay. So to start, we are going to learn some fun things about the analog clock. As you can see here, the front part, we call it the face of the clock. Again, what do you call this one?
The face of the clock.
Very good. The face of the clock includes the 12 numbers and the parts that spins and all the markings inside the clock. But sometimes, the face of the clock, we also call it dial. Is it because of the two main parts that points to the numbers and spins around the clock? And that is what?
Dial.
No?
The hands of the clock.
Very good. The hands of the clock. So, the analog clock has two hands. The long hand and the short hand. The short hand is the hour hand. Again, the short hand is the
Hour hand.
Very good. And the long hand is the minute hand. Again,
Minute hand.
Very good. So the shorter hand is the hour hand. It tells us what hour it is. And the long hand is the minute hand. It points to the
Minute.
minutes. Very good. Again, the short hand is the hour hand and the long hand is the
Minute hand.
And also, as you can see, the analog clock is just like all of you, right? Because it has face and two hands. Okay, so very good. Now, let's go back to this clock. If the long hand points at the number 12, we call it o'clock. Again, what do you call it if the long hand is pointed at number 12?
O'clock.
Very good. And you will write it this way. Okay, so you will write it this way. Dot, dot, 0, 0. Again, what is this?
O'clock.
Very good. Now, if the long hand is pointed at number 12 and the short hand is pointed at number 9, all you need to do is just, first you have to look at the hour hand. So you have to count. Okay, so the hour hand pointed at number
9.
Very good. Since the long hand is pointed at number 12, we call it
O'clock.
So the time is
9 o'clock.
Very good. So did you notice this small lines?
Yes.
Okay, so this small line is equivalent 1 minute. So all you need to do to find the minutes, you have to count 5. Start from here. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
followed by 6,
7, 8, 9,
So
10.
the number 1 is equivalent to
5
You have to
minutes.
count 5. Start from here. 5,
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55.
4
O'clock.
Very good. How about the short hand? The short hand, it tells the number itself. All you need to do is just read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Now, what if I will move the short hand to this number and the long hand is at this number? What time it is?
3.
Just raise your hand if you want to answer. Yes.
3 o'clock.
Very good. How about this one? This one. Who can answer this one? Yes, Pino?
2 o'clock.
Very good. It's 2 o'clock because the short hand is pointed at 2 and the long hand is pointed at 12. So it's 2
2
o'clock.
o'clock.
How about this one? Yes, Lucille?
1 o'clock.
Very good. So, Teacher Jussam will continue the discussion. Teacher Jussam!
Teacher
Teacher.
Jussam.
Rise and shine, kids. By the way, I am Teacher
Jussam.
Or you can call me Joss. Teacher Joss. Okay? Teacher Joss.
Teacher Joss.
Juice. So, again, what is this called?
Analog clock.
Very good. How about this one?
Minute hand.
How about this one?
The hour hand.
Okay, so now that you already know how to read the hour, so how about if I'm going to point the short hand at this between the number 10 and 11? Can you tell me what hour is it? Yes? Analog?
It's 10:30.
Oh, you have to figure out the hour first.
10.
The hour.
The hour first.
Add our first.
Yes, Miss Lucille?
It's 10.
Very good. Very good. It is 10. Why is it called it is 10? Why? Okay, yes, Lucille?
Because it did not reach 11 yet.
Very good. So when the short hand is not still moving at the 11, this is why it is called 10 hour. So got it, guys?
Yes, teacher.
So how about this? What hour is it? Yes, Pino.
6.
Alright, why is it 6?
Because it didn't reach 7.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Pino. So now let's move on to quarter, half past hour.
Deriada.
So everybody, please read.
Half past refers to the hour hand is halfway between 2 hours.
So again, when the long hand is pointing at the 6, this is called half past hour. So you should always remember that the long hand is pointing at the 6, while the short hand is between the two numbers or 2 hours. So this time it is pointing between 10 and 11. So this is called 10 half past 10. So now let's have another example. The long hand is pointing at the 6, while the short hand is pointing between 2 and 3. So what time is it? Yes, Gretchen?
It is 2:30.
Very good. Very good. So that is the half hour. Good. Now, let's move on to the quarter 2. Again, what is quarter to?
Quarter to. We are approaching the next hour.
Very good. So you should always remember that when we are talking about quarter to, the long hand, it should always pointing at the number 9. And the short hand will point to the closer to the number. Example, 5. So the quarter. So again, the long hand is always pointing to the 9 when we're referring to the quarter, and the short hand is pointing or closer to the number hour. So this time, the hour hand is pointing at the 4. It mostly pointing at the 5. So what hour is it? Or what quarter to this represents? Yes, Limuel?
It is quarter to 5.
Very good. So how about this one? So the long hand is pointing at the 9, and the hour hand is pointing closely to the 3. So what is it? Yes, Carlos?
Quarter to 3.
Very good. So this afternoon you learned about whole hours, half hour, and
Quarter.
very good. So let's proceed to our activity. This activity we called it time charades. Now, so I want you to form a line, and I will give you a piece of paper, and I will move the short hand and long hand into a certain time. All you need to do is just write your answer in the paper and paste it here in front. And for those who can place it here in front is the winner. Okay? Where is my highlighter? Okay, so I want you to form a line, 2 lines lang. 2 lines. Here. Okay, go.
Ang camera ako, bukas.
Okay, so I will move the short hand and the long hand into the certain time. All you need to do is just write your answer at a piece of paper. And I will count 1 to 3, and after that, paste your answer at the board. Okay? Okay, go. How about the first one is this? Wala ka! I will count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, go! The answer is 3. Oh my God! So here is Pino group. Okay, so next. Very low down. Okay, next is the. Okay. Wait. 2, 3, go!
Bili magarong. 15 na.
Yay!
Oh, masira na.
Okay, so the answer is
9:15. We got winners.
1 point.
Yes.
Pilipinas group is the leader. Now next,
Uy, kami una dito.
Dili sa'yo pang number.
Nine.
I don't know. Eugenics group.
Yes.
So next,
Wala pa yung manugo. Ay, sandal.
how about this one? 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, go!
Uy, wala ko eh. Jussam ni Gaw Deriada 30. Uy, Gaw
Okay, so the time is 1:30. Okay,
Ay, sorry.
Go? Asa na?
One, two, three, go!
Nalimot siya.
Okay, the answer is Nicholas Group. Okay, so, for our next activity, this is what we call the Batomalaque. I will give you a block and a specific time. Okay, so here, I will give you this block, and all you need to do is just label it with 12 numbers. Okay, I will give you a specific time. All you need to do is just paste it, long hand and short hand. No, same group lang. You have to do same group.
Hello, banda. Dapat lima.
No, hindi. Nag-video ko din.
One, two,
Zero.
and three. Wait for the
Wait for the instruction, guys.
Okay, so
We're done, Tita.
You're done.
We're done.
Come here in front. Okay, and tell your time and what your clock.
So our time is 3:30. The long hand is on 6 and the short hand is on 3.
Very good. It's 3:30. Now, group two. Lucian's group.
Our assigned time is 2:45. So as you can see, the short hand, or what you call the hour hand, is pointing at 2, and then and the long hand or the minute hand is pointing to 9, which is 45.
Okay, so very good. Grade two. Okay, group two. Last group.
So our time is 3 o'clock because the short hand is pointing the 3 and the long hand is pointing at the 12. Which is very
Good.
okay.
Now let's give ourselves a very good applause. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Very good, very good, very good.
Okay, so let's proceed to our evaluation. Please get 1/4 sheet of paper, and all you need to do is you have to identify the time of the clock. Okay, you have to identify the time of the clock. Okay. Start from here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. I'm done, teacher. I'm done. Please stay quiet. Are you all done?
Yes,
teacher. Okay, so who would like to answer the question?
Me.
Yes, Dina.
8 o'clock.
Very good. How about number 2?
Me.
Christian.
4:30.
Very good. Number 3, yes. Hero.
5:50.
Very good. And number 4?
6:50.
5.
5:50. Wala pa siya nalakaw sa 6. Sorry.
Libat na lang yun eh.
Okay, so the number 3 is 5:50. Number 4? Espino?
10. 10:15.
Very good. Yes. Number 5, Philippine. Yes, number 5.
4:45.
Okay, how about number 6? Yes, Lucille.
11:20.
Very good. Number 7. Who would like to answer number 7?
Me.
Yes, Annalou.
5:40.
And lastly, who would like to answer? Yes, Lucille.
2 o'clock.
Very good. Kindly pass your paper in front.
Teacher Josie.